So we have built a computer vision aided driver management system. The main features of this program are: first, to track persons driving the vehicle; second, track the distance traveled by them; third, geofence a particular person; fourth, fetch real time fuel prices for that particular location and calculate the fare levied on that person; fifth, build a driver road attentiveness profile using landmark detection. So let us start the program. The end user only needs to copy the faces of the drivers into this folder known as face data. Now let's have a quick rundown. So it will actually create a data frame containing like all the faces. So you can clearly see it is detecting my face, and apart from that it is also detecting my location. My computer doesn't have a GPS, so I am using my IP location. Now if I show another face, for example, if I show, like, if is that is detecting Xavier. Because my PC doesn't have GPS, I am using IP location, and for destination I am actually using preset values, that is Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Jaipur. So only thing that is static in this program is that destination dictionary because of constraints. So now I will calculate the fare prices using real time data. So this function known as calculate distance actually calculate distance between two address points using the API. Now I will calculate the fare prices using real time data. So it has actually fetched the petrol prices of Gujarat as 95.67. I have traveled from Ahmedabad to Delhi and I have traveled a distance of 916 kilometers, and the fare levied on me is 4,383 rupees according to the average of 20 kilometer per liter. Similarly, Xavier has traveled 658 kilometers and the fare levied on him is 3,147. Now I have actually completed the first part of the program. The second part of the program is to actually build a driver road attentiveness profile using landmark detection. So I will use this EAR eye aspect ratio formula to build a profile. So let's run the program and see the output. The driver attentiveness is directly related to EAR. The higher the EAR, the more attentive the driver is. So you can see it is showing active. If I like sleep, it will say sleeping, and if I becomes little bit drowsy, it will actually show drowsy. See, it is showing. Now it can like work on other faces too, like for example Xavier. So Xavier is active. Now actually I can build the profile using matplotlib. So you can see the profile here. So you can see here like this is my profile. Like I was there, like the fluctuation you can see, I have more fluctuation in my eyes than Xavier. Like Xavier has fairly constant fluctuations, whereas I have like multiple fluctuations in very small time frame. So I can actually discriminate the good drivers from the bad ones using this road attentiveness profile. Now I have actually concluded my whole program.